This is forever electromechanical. Seamless steel pipe induction. Quenching in tempering line. Custom built for seamless steel. Pipe heat treatment. Full auto continuous operation. Feeding. Quenching. Tempering and discharging. Adopt IGBT medium frequency. Induction heating with closed loop. Infrared temperature control. Even heating inside and outside. Small deformation and good straightness. Less scale formation prevent. Decarburization and cracking effectively. Uniform hardness stable. Metalographic. Structure and excellent mechanical properties. Energy saving and high efficiency. 24 hours continuous running. Greatly cut labor costs. Forever electromechanical professional. Induction heat treatment equipment suppliers.